Okay, so there's two parts to this problem. We'll first ask to find the slope of the line. Well, the definition of the slope, we use the letter M, the small letter M. It's the change in y over the change in x. So that's the Greek letter, looks like a triangle, but it's the Greek letter delta. So delta y, that represents the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y, pick some point on the line. It doesn't matter, here, here, here. I'm going to pick this one and figure out how much do you go up. Another way people think of the slope is the rise over the run. So how much do you go up and how much do you go over? Well, first of all, this is a positive slope because it rises to the right. If any line that falls to the right is going to be a negative slope. We'll talk more about that later. But to go from this point to this point, we go up 2, 1, 2, and over 3, 1, 2, 3. So we go up 2 and to the right 3. So the slope of that line is 2/3. Part B, what is the slope of any line perpendicular? So the slope of any line, if the slope of any line in general is a over b, some fraction, the slope of any line that's perpendicular, this is the little notation for perpendicular, is going to be minus the reciprocal. So it's minus b over a. So if the slope of this line is 2/3, the slope of any line perpendicular to this line is going to be minus 3/2. So that's the idea of finding the slope and given a graph. And once you find the slope, what's the slope of any line perpendicular?